In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a gamified template in Notion. We'll start by laying the foundation with two databases. Create one for your tasks and call it something fun like quests or daily missions. Then create a second database for your avatar or character stats. Keeping these separate lets you track work on one side and your overall progress on the other. In the quests database, add a checkbox property called Done. This is how you'll mark a mission as complete. Next, add a number property for XP or gold so each task can reward you when you finish it. Finally, add a select property for difficulty with options like easy, medium, and hard. Keeping difficulty standardized will help with organizing and visual feedback later. In the character database, add two number properties. XP for your total experience and level for your current rank. These will update as you complete quests and will anchor your progression system. Now let's make it smart with formulas and rollups. For XP labels, create a formula in quests that displays the reward in a friendly way. You can include a colored emoji or tag based on difficulty. So an easy quest might show a light icon next to the XP while hard stands out more. Next, add a formula property for progress in your character database. This should calculate the percentage toward your next level, typically your total XP divided by the XP needed for the next level capped at 100%. For rewards, add a rollup in character that pulls in the XP from completed quests and sums it up. Point it to the XP field in your quests and filter it to only include items where Done is checked. So only finished missions count. Let's visualize everything. Create a main dashboard page, then add a linked view of your quests database. Filter it so only uncompleted tasks appear, keeping your focus on what's next. For your character database, use a gallery view so your avatar displays prominently. Set the card to show your icon or cover for a game-like feel. Add a visual progress bar with a formula that renders a meter using characters. For example, use slices fay 0, round prop progress * 10. It's a quick, satisfying way to see momentum at a glance. Finally, customize liberally. Use emojis and icons for task types, areas, and achievements to reinforce the game theme and make the whole system motivating and fun. Thanks for watching.